Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can send video files from the iOS device to the Android one. So we have to start from downloading this app and launch it. Now on the iOS device, go to the videos and check the video that you want to send. Just hold the finger on it. Oh, sorry, you have to mark it by this little cycle. And now click send. Now in the second device, go to the receive and input the key from the first one. And that's it. Now the iPhone sending a video file to the Android device. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.